Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, and don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the euro dollar has been very, very sideways as you can see. Today is a very, very big day for really all the markets. Today is the tariff day or liberation day as Trump is calling it. So really, to be honest with you, anything can happen. I mean, I'm definitely still recommending shorts because of the higher time frames. We have this break of structure to the downside. Whether it actually does go up one more time, which I think it kind of looks like it does need to finish off a wave B, would make more sense to me, and then down for a wave C. It kind of seems to me like it'd make more sense for it to play out like this. But like I said, anything can happen. I've definitely never traded through a tariff war in my life, so we'll see. To me, it definitely does kind of look like a wave A. It definitely does kind of look like a wave B. It seems like potentially it could go up for a wave C, and this would be an ABC of B probably, and this would be the A down here. But like I said, just be ready for anything. I've never traded a tariff war in my life, so we'll see if the market really does oblige by Elliot wave rules or whether it's just one crazy big old day. So definitely be ready for anything today and stay safe. Use proper risk management as always. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching and happy trading.